Now, let me ask you a question. If you want to write a book, which options will be more attractive for you? Option A, I'll give you a free course to teach you how to write a book. For this part, you must work in two ways. Work your way through the course to learn how, and then work again to write the book for the outcome you want to achieve, which is to write a book. Let's evaluate option B. I'll give you a software to write the book. You don't need to take any course or work to write the book. Obviously, option B would be much more attractive, isn't it? So, which funnel will convert better? A funnel that gives away a free course, or a funnel that gives away a free AI software to get the leads excited to sign up? Yes, they would surely prefer a free AI software that does the work for them. But here's the biggest revelation. The old funnels that give away free courses or free books have been proven to make so much money. And imagine what if they are now replaced with AI software. If you haven't been successful in having any funnels that work, generating income for you daily, I have a solution for you. Build an AI app funnel. Start using the new way to earn. Just give away free AI tools to get leads and let the funnel to make money for you. If you are already marketing online, this will definitely be a game changer for you like it was for me. The best part is that this can literally be a new business for you to start too, because the market is so huge and untapped at this moment. You could get into the market and have the first mover advantage to make money. Well, here's what I mean. For instance, you could create an AI app funnel in the time management niche. Instead of offering a free course about time management, you could offer an AI tool that helps users to plan their time. Another one, you could create an AI app funnel in the job career niche. Instead of offering a guidebook on writing a resume, you could offer an AI tool that writes the resume for them. One more example, you could create an AI app funnel in the social media niche. Instead of giving a course about how to come up with ideas for TikTok content, you should give an AI tool that curates the entire 1-minute video script for them. And the list goes on for whatever niche market you are in or planning to dominate.